Hi guys, after vacation I would like to come back to you with the Vampire and some progress report. This very quick intro is just about 3D printing. You can wonder how it is coming here. It's very simple. I was waiting for almost two and a half months to receive my 3D printer. Okay, it's a very basic model, but I already worked on the Vampire, so I printed out two items. The first item, this one is holding the Vampire HDMI output. The second one is just a card holder. So this one is holding not a CF card but an SD converter. So as you can see, this one fits over the Vampire, and the other one makes possible to have HDMI output. It works perfectly, so I come back with performance figures, games and more. Stay tuned.